I have reps that are multi-tenured here that I'm trying to figure out how to help them. I listen to their calls. I can see some surface level problems that I've tried coaching them on. But my sales leader was asking me, like, are they evolving? Are they not evolving? Are we getting better? Are we getting worse? I don't know. I've only been on their calls for the past couple months while I've been here. And I was like, oh, it'd be great if I could automate some of these, sort of dig in deeper on some of these things. And we don't use Gong here, so I couldn't dig into Gong. We use sort of another call recording software. But I was like, are their emails getting better? Are his calls getting better? And so I just wanted, like, how could I do a comprehensive view? And it just felt like an LLM could dig into that information and do a much better, faster, thorough job than me clicking into call recordings and listening at like 1.5x speed, like late into the night. I was like, hey, analyze my sales pipeline and then create a report. And it just goes on. It's now gone into Salesforce and understands what my Salesforce instance looks like. There's an object name called opportunity. And so it digs into those fields. It's then querying. It is analyzing in a sequential way to how to solve this problem. And then it decided to also come up with this dashboard on the right. So then it not only gave me a report, but also a dashboard, which I thought
Mhm.
was super cool. So it's now given me a whole report on what I should be worried about on my deals as I walk into the end of my Q2
Yeah.
here. Things like this, where there's like lacking economic buyers, like we do have like a MedPick dashboard,
Hmm.
but like just seeing it like pop out of all of a sudden it's now a dollar number. Cause usually I'm looking at the number of like, do you have an economic buyer associated with your opportunity? Kind of yes or no. But then to sort
Okay.
of see it rolled up, it's just a view that I'd never thought about thinking about. And so all of a sudden it was like, wow, that's a lot of money that we don't know who's signing the check here.